Hello everyone, I request you all to go through the disclaimer first. Today we are going to study about Vimsotri Dasha, total 120 years. Vimsotri, total calculated as 120 years for each individual person, in which all the 9 planets come with Mahadasha and each planet's Antradasha also comes in that. Let's study in detail. Cycle of Vimsotri in Vedic astrology. It is most widely used as Dasha in astrology or called Mahadasha. And specific time period is allocated to all 9 planets in their period. There is a full cycle of 120 years of all the 9 planets. For each Mahadasha, the time varies. This cycle has been divided into 9 parts and every part is governed by certain planet in astrology. According to this system, the average age of a human is considered as 120, so that he may have gone through each Mahadasha in his whole lifespan. In ancient times, the average age may have been so much, but it is decreasing year on year and hence it has come down to 50 to 60 years. Currently, few years back, the average age was considered as 60 to 70 years. You can see the graph of decreasing age of humans. A small information. Today also in Japan, a particular area, the lifespan of the human are near about 100 plus. Now it clearly indicates that average life of a person goes down to 50% in present era. That is the reason a person is unable to experience the effect of Mahadasha of all planets and end up with his life. With regards to that, there is another method defined in Vedic astrology named as Antradasha, Pratyankara Dasha, etc., which are usually known as Sub-Dasha, Sub-Dasha, etc. If we divide Antradasha into 9 parts, it is known as Pratyankara Dasha. The order of the subdivision of Dasha system is as follows. Planets with their fixed number of years in Vimsotri cycle. First, let's start with Ketu. Ketu, the number of years of in Vimsotri is 7 years. Mahadasha of Ketu is 7 years. Venus or Shukra, Shukra Dasha, Shukra Mahadasha is for 20 years. Surya Mahadasha is for 6 years. Chandra Mahadasha is for 10 years. Mars Mahadasha is for 7 years. Rahu Mahadasha is for 18 years. Jupiter Mahadasha is for 16 years. Saturn Mahadasha is for 19 years. Mercury Mahadasha is for 17 years. This is my website. I have given the link of the website in the description box. Anyone can contact me for consultation purpose through my website, or they can reach me through telephone, mobile, WhatsApp or Telegram. The number is 9282103960. I request you all to subscribe the channel, press the bell button so that you can get the latest information at the faster rate. Thank you very much.